This is how my hair is looking. So I washed it Saturday. Today is what? Today's Wednesday. Today's my day off from work. So today's Wednesday, January 28th. Yeah. I didn't put any gel in it because the truth is I run out of gel. I have to restock. However, I'm loving my kinky texture as I told y'all in my previous video. I've been rocking it curly for since I cut it. Since I cut it in September, I've been rocking it curly. But I also love the chance that I got to rock the kinky part. It's cute. Anyways, so I washed my hair, and after I washed my hair, I went in with this Blue Magic oil. This is what I've been using. So what I did, I oil it, section it, of course, with my fingers, and then I just oiled the hair shaft, the length of my hair to be exact. And then after that, I went in with the shea butter to seal it. So this is the method that I'm using. I use the water because I didn't have any leave-in spray or anything. So the water that was in my hair, the oil, and the shea butter. I find that when I do that method, my hair feels softer as opposed to when I use the leave-in conditioner, then oil it. You know, if I'm going to do that, I would still use a butter to seal. This is a game changer, shea butter. I'm going to try mango butter, but anyways, guys, just stick around for the update. Subscribe to my channel because I'm on a journey to grow this hair long, a waist length. Let me say, my hair is gonna grow to waist length. I can't believe this is 5 months. I cut my hair in September. I'm going to show y'all on the screen when I chopped it off. If you haven't seen that short video, go and check that out on my channel. And remember to subscribe, follow me, so you can keep up with the hair journey and you can come along and grow your hair, your natural hair as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that you see a lot of people on the internet with long natural hair, kinky, 4C, 4B, all sort of texture. So yeah, my time now to grow my hair. So let me give you guys a little length check. Right now it needs moisture, Let me pull a little piece from here. Just gonna pull it out. Okay, ladies, so this is the actual length. Let me stop press on my nose. This is the actual length of my hair. Right? Yeah, so from September to January, this is where we are. But yeah, this is progress. And I am definitely loving it. Definitely loving it. I'm going to show you a leave-in spray I'm going to make at the moment. So I don't just want to use plain old water to spray my hair whenever it gets dry. Yeah, that helps, but I want to use water with an edge, with an growth edge, growth advantage. So I'm going to mix up hibiscus. I live in Jamaica, so like I get hibiscus flowers fresh from off the tree. So I'm going to do the hibiscus. I picked a bunch of them. Let me show y'all. I picked some. Ah, yeah, I picked some hibiscus. So I'm going to use these. I bought some rosemary the other day when I went to the supermarket. And I have cinnamon. I'm going to try the cinnamon in it. And I have some cloves. So that's what I'm going to cook up right now. So come along with me if y'all want to see how I get this done. Okay, stay tuned. So this is how I basically make my hair grow leave-in spray, guys. I just make it as though I'm making tea. So I put the rosemary, cloves, cinnamon leaves with the stick, hibiscus, and let it boil. Then I put it in my spray bottle, spray my hair, and yeah, follow for more, y'all.